So you may be wondering, what is the difference between a dietary supplement and an over-the-counter or prescription medication? It's a very simple legal difference. Simply, an over-the-counter medication or a prescription medication has actually been FDA approved. By the US FDA, that institution has approved this particular synthetic nutrient or synthetic chemical to be sold either over-the-counter at your drugstore or through your pharmacist, through your physician's prescription. That's completely different from a dietary supplement that has no such FDA approval. So be very clear that when you're buying a dietary supplement, you're not getting anything that's been FDA approved. The only way an FDA ruling gets involved with a dietary supplement is if, unfortunately, there's been instances where people have been injured or even worse, died from taking certain things. And so then the FDA comes in on the backside after a product has been sold, and sold legally, by the way. I'm not talking about something illegal, but after something has been sold legally and then people get injured or die, then the FDA would get involved. But anytime you see something sitting on the shelf as a dietary supplement, that has never been approved by the FDA. That is not the FDA's jurisdiction.